Let's create an invitation for a summer barbecue, starting with a template. I am searching for summer templates on the Studio Templates page. To edit it, select the template and then select Customize this template. I like the colors and fonts of this design, but want to make it a bit less detailed as it could be an invitation for a communal barbecue in an apartment or office building. So I removed some elements, updated the text with the details of my event, and slightly rearranged the sizing and font so there is a bit more contrast in letter sizes. Lastly, I added a subheading for a bit more information at the bottom of the page and moved the image up slightly to make some more space. Oh, and because everything in Studio is organized by layers, I love how the image sits underneath the main heading, giving it a cool sense of depth. Getting started is free, but if you have an all-access subscription to Creative Fabrica, you have access to all of Studio's premium features too.